Honda showed the Neo Sports Cafe concept at the recent Tokyo Motor Show and then unveiled the production version of that bike, the 2018 CB1000R, at EICMA. This bare-bones sport bike is still powered by the same liquid-cooled, DOHC, 998cc, 75mm or 56.5mm stroke, inline-four that was used in the previous model, but said engine now produces 20 more horsepower, 145 horsepower at 10,500 revolutions per minute, and 76.7 pound-feet of torque at 8,250 revolutions per minute with a much flatter curve. The 6-speed gearbox now features 4% shorter ratios to enhance throttle response and initial acceleration. In fact, according to Honda, the new CB1000R is quicker than the current CBR1000RR through the first 3 gears up to 80 miles per hour. The engine is harnessed in a steel backbone type frame with large aluminum pivot plates that solidly locate the foot pegs and single-sided swing arm. Steering geometry is listed as 25 degrees of rake with 3.9-inch trail. Wheelbase is 57.3 inches, 0.4 longer than the previous edition, yet the swing arm is half an inch shorter.